Hey everyone. So this is something new that we're going to be doing every week. Hopefully, we can get it out on either Sunday evenings or Monday mornings. Uh, Basically, we're shooting just quick videos to show you guys kind of what's coming up in the week ahead for the programming and kind of what's going through our minds as coaches, and how we're setting it up and what you can expect, just so you can kind of get a feel how we're building things up for you, and you can stay a little bit better cued in than just seeing the workout every day on the computer screen or on the website. So yeah, let's hop into it. Hopefully I'll get better at these as we do them. So excuse me if I sound annoying or I'm saying too much. But yeah, let's hop into it. So today, if you haven't been already, as you can see, we've got these little 5 minutes of work, 5 minutes of rest ratios here. 5 minutes of work at 90%, 5 minutes of rest. We're doing 4 sets. This is to build, what we call aerobic power. So we'll be progressing through this. Next week, you'll actually see something very similar. We're actually going to be using most of these same movements, and it will be 5 minutes of work with 3 minutes of rest. And I think we can fit 5 sets into a class, but we'll see. So you can see how we're progressing, kind of ramping up the intensity, not through each 5 minute work, AMRAP, but just taking away a little bit of rest and trying to keep the same output across all 4 or 5 sets. Tuesday here, you can check it out. We've got more clusters. We've been doing 2s. This week we're doing 1s. I like doing 1s a lot better than 3s just because, 3 reps is a lot better than 9 reps in my opinion. So same setup. B, if you see that, that's the exact same as what we've been doing as well, except since you are going heavier for A, 73% is going to be heavier, and we're just trying to connect that good power clean and jerk, touch and go off the shoulders at a heavier weight. So just trying to develop that capacity. And then we've got C1, 2, and 3. We've got those set up again for beginner, intermediate, and advanced. It should say advanced up there. But basically, we're doing that again. It's the exact same as it was on the 30th of December, except some of the reps have changed. The good morning should be a little bit heavier. The straight toes to bar or hanging knee to chest or reverse sit-ups are going to be a little bit greater in number. And then the straight arm dumbbell lat pulls, they're the same number, but we're trying to go a little heavier since now you're used to the movement. And again, this area right here is just to build strength through the toes to bar. You'll see again that we'll be doing like an EMOM next week where we're going to be more in the muscle endurance phase of it. But right now, tomorrow we're just building strength. Wednesday we've got another 3-set build up. This one is a little chunkier than last time, meaning a little bit more intense, a little bit longer sets. So we're just seeing if you guys can really hone in on your different intensities and being able to kind of ramp it up each time. So yeah, very similar to last week, but a little bit beefier. Thursday, so going along with after we've gotten out of this whole back squat cycle, we've been trying to kind of pay more attention to Olympic lifts. So this one is a big clean day, especially A and B right there. So we're doing a lot of 1 1/4 squats to get you used to that bottom position, catching the clean in a low front squat position, and then the hang squat cleans. We might even build up a little heavier than 85%. We might try to get into 90, 93% area. But that's similar to last week. We're just going a little longer. Last week we did 8 minutes. This week we're doing 10. And then this EMOM should look very similar to last week because we did the exact same thing, but for 10 minutes. So we're just kind of ramping it up. So 14 minutes, again, going along with that whole thing of increasing muscle endurance. And then lastly here on Friday, we've got some snatch work, basically position snatch work. The EMOM up front on A, with the snatch balance is just to get you guys in the right position to open a lot of you up before getting into that 3-position snatch. So that is the exact same thing, that 1-1 cluster as we did a week and a half ago, I think. And that was to get you used to it. This one, we're just trying to build up a little bit, especially if you did that one last time. And then C, remember this month we are also, besides focusing on toes to bar and other things, building up to a 2K tester at the end of the month. So, we did our 500 meter repeats at 2K speed. This week or on Friday, we're doing 1K or 1,000 meter repeats, and we're going to try to get at least 3 in there. Same speed, 3 minutes of rest after each one. So yeah, that's basically what we've got going on this week. Again, I'll try to keep those a little bit shorter than this. These a little bit shorter than what I just did right now. I know I'm kind of long-winded, but yeah, hope to see you guys there. Remember, we do have a nutrition seminar coming up on January 24th, 2 Saturdays away. We've also got the body fat testing truck coming to you that following Monday, so the 26th, and you will see a link to sign up for that tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys at the gym. Thanks for braving through this. Bye.